So there's been a new update on the DJI Fly app, and obviously I got the Pro 2, and I need to make sure this needs updating. So I got the drone on, I'm going into settings, and oh, I'll tell you what we can do. We can go back into my profile, and just see if there's anything going on in the settings. I've got the red dot next to about, which always means that there's an update, and you can see it there, v1.20.0. So we can click on that, and there it is. This is the added support for the 360. So that's going on now, and I think, if I'm right in thinking, I can check that on what it's doing. Let's scroll down now. Yeah, there it is. You can see it's updating now, the DJI Fly app. It's on 20%. I don't think it's going to take too long. Right, here we go. Slightly different procedure when you're doing it on this controller. Right, app installed, open it up. Right, there we go. And like anything else, you just follow the instructions and job's done. So we've gone into the screen. Right, so let's just check on the instructions. So we got bypass, we got on normal, optional. They all look the same. Nothing looks different there. Control, got it imperial, because sometimes it does seem to change that for some reason. I've got it in follow mode. I've got my sticks. I'll just check my sticks a minute. Yep, they're fine. Okay, camera. I'll just keep it on JPEG. I'm not into RAW anymore now. 100 megapixel. I've got my grid line on still. I've got my storage. Transmission. Don't really go into that. Right, okay, so here we got the latest update, which is the Fly app. Yeah, all looking good. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go outside and test fly the drone. So I've come out with my Mavic 4 Pro. We'll do a test flight with the new update, which is on the obviously the RC Pro 2 controller. We'll see if there's anything changed. I'm not expecting anything to change because it's all to do with the new 360 drone. But we'll see what happens, eh? So what I like about the Mavic 4 Pro is as soon as you open it up, I mean, obviously you can have it turned off if you like, but I find it's much better kicking it in. We're just starting up onto the screen. It's already in. Oh, we got remote ID error. Now that's gone, thankfully. It's still loading. Now I've got 23. So there's the home point. That's a good idea. So I'm going to put on the video, because I know me, I always forget to press the record button. I'm not going to put on what's going on the screen. You don't need to see that unless I think there's something that you need to see, because I did go through the settings. Nothing looks different there. So let's get a drone up. Okay, off we go. We're just sending it up. I'm going to go over to what I class, it's the fish farm. We've got some seagulls about, because they're obviously hanging around for the fish. And we're just going to go over that way. I'm still on just normal zoom as I class it. I just want to see what's going on there. Drone's up nice and high. I've got the sun in my face. I haven't got no filters on this drone, guys. I'm not a great lover of filters. I know people say, oh, you should do, Shaun. So in these round cylinder things, I think they're tuner. And we're going to have a look in a moment, because I'm going to, as we fly over, I'm going to drop the drone right down, the gimbal down, I should say. Okay, let's drop that gimbal down now, and you should see what's going on in these tanks, as I call it. Okay, I'm going to do that one that one there. Okay, so we've got it on 1 times. We're going to put it on 2. Just checking out. Another reason I'm checking out the zoom. You might be able to make out the fish now. Let's have a look. Let's bring it over a little bit. But that's only on 2. I'm going to put it on 6. Look at them. In that, that's all fish. And when I come out of this, you can see the boats that will come and collect the fish in the mow. So that's on 6 times. That's on 12 times. I mean, just amazing. I'm going to do 18. I think going up to 21, it just starts to pixelate it. Okay, I'm going to just rotate the drone a little bit. Take a photograph of that. Okay. So that's on 18 times. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that, turning off the video, and it went straight into portrait. So I don't know if that's a thing. I haven't flown this for quite a while. And we're still going down with the gimbal. Oh, we've got it on 6. I'll take that photograph. I'm just going to move the gimbal up a little bit. Okay. Going to do it again. So that's on 12. That's on 18. I'm going to do it on 21. 24, I mean. 21. I don't know what it was. I had it in my head. It was going to be that. Well, I'm just going to move the drone over a little bit. Okay. To me, that looks a bit pixelated. You can see the jumping out. Right. So if I put that back into video, which will be interesting. This is what happens. Okay, back in the video, it didn't move. Interestingly. Right. I'm just going to drop that down to. Went straight back to 6 then. Right, if I'm right in thinking, so I like to experiment. Right, I'm just using the wheel there, so that's on 24. I'm just going to move the wheel back. Okay. That's gone back to 6. Okay, it's not going back any further, so I don't know if that's an issue. Okay, so what I've done, I've cut the video short because I did go out another day, and what I was going to show you was the screensaver on this, but it wasn't really going to show you how when I use the zoom. So anyway, I thought I'd come back here because another thing I didn't notice when I was out there doing the video was the horizon was off. Now something else. So we got the problem with the zoom, and what I mean by the zoom, if I go from 1 times to 6, it just goes to 6, and then if I go from 6 to 24, but if I drop back down, it only goes back to 6. So it's not fully working properly. Now I haven't been out for, I don't know, a couple of months using my Mavic 4 in the sense of doing zoom in, zoom out. So I've just gone out, taken some video footage, and that's about it. I haven't noticed anything else when I was testing it. Yeah, so there's definitely something wrong with it since this new update. And obviously the update is for the controller, and it's to do with the 360 app. And it's been out now for, what, over a week, 26th of March, the new app that we had. And I'm surprised out there on YouTube, nobody said anything.
I mean, I know there's people that's got the Mavic 4. Maybe they haven't got this controller. I don't know, but it's interesting. I haven't tried it out in the Mini 5. I just wanted to put this video up there. Is anybody having the same issues? I mean, especially the horizon's a bit, it's not on really. Now, if it's obviously just me, then what I might do is just do a factory reset and then try it again. But yeah, that's not right. I'm just checking out what else have I missed. Oh yeah, the other thing was that I did notice is that when I was doing the zoom in and zoom out, sometimes the video would cut off. Now, didn't used to do that. Sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't, which was a bit annoying because obviously you've got to pay attention to what's going on the screen, but you can't always got your eye if it's recording. So that's another, so there's 3 issues. Horizon, the zoom in, and obviously when you're taking video, it cuts it off every now and again. So DJI, need to get it sorted. But like I said, if it's just me, thanks. I haven't seen no videos out on YouTube about any problems. And I know there's lots of people that's got the Mavic 4 Pro and this type of controller, but I ain't seen nothing. If it's just me, yeah, fair enough. I'll just do a factory reset and try it again. But yeah, just thought I'd make this video. As always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.